Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If I didn't tell you guys before, happy New Year's. It is currently 10:54 a.m. I was on the way to do my daily morning walk to my local coffee shop, but it was raining this morning. Like, what a bummer. So my boyfriend insisted I drove instead of walking there like I usually do, because I like to get my little daily exercise in. So you guys will just come with me to do my daily coffee run. Y'all, it is so ugly outside. Like, I am so bummed. Like, I hate when it's ugly outside, because then, like, that just predicts my mood for today, like, you know? So, guys, okay, y'all, so I just made it to, okay, guys, so I just made it to my local coffee shop. I'm about to go inside right now.
I'm still a fan, even though it's salty. Hate to see you around the brand. Are you happy? Hate to see you happy if I'm not the one driving. I'm so mature. They got me a therapist to tell me there's a limit. I want and I just want you.
Back in the car from the coffee shop, and I got the same thing as I got yesterday when I came here, because it was good and I was kind of scared to try something new. So y'all know when y'all try something new and it end up being nasty, then you just, you know, sometimes it's best to just stick to what you know. So I got this caramel iced coffee, really good, and I got this big old cookie. I would have sat in there, you know, but they were so freaking packed. Like, I don't know why. I didn't want to sit in there with all the people, so I'm eating in my car.
Stop playing with them, Brian. How can I lose if I'm already chose? Like, if she feeling hot, then I make that bitch frozen. I get a bitch tired every time that I post. Damn, the party not lit, then I'd rather not go. If she feeling hot, then I make that bitch frozen. I get a bitch tired every time that I post. It's not bad, they be on my ass. I can hear you hating from the back. Balenciaga baddie got a bag. Nigga munch and ate it from the back. Niggas feeling gotta play it cool. Got the zaddy, I'ma make a move. Breaking records and I'm breaking news.
So guys, yesterday I tried pho for the first time. Y'all, it was so freaking good. Like, y'all, look at that. You cannot tell me that junk don't look fire. Like, that junk was so good. I got the seafood pho. It came with fried crab, steamed crab, shrimp. I think these were scallops. But y'all, it was so freaking good. Like, that was my first time ever trying pho. It was this place close to my house, and I was just craving some noodles. If you know me, you know trying new foods is one of my favorite things to do. Like, I love trying new foods. Like, I'm not scared to try anything. Like, I love trying new food places, new food, new restaurant. If I like it, ooh, y'all, don't let me like it, because I'll be eating the same thing every day for the next 3 weeks if I discover something new that I like. Something else I think I want to do today is go to Pandora, because lately I've noticed, like, my bracelets, they've looked kind of duller, like kind of brownish. So I want to go to Pandora, because I believe they do free cleanings, right? They do, right? Let me look it up, child. And I looked up on Google. They said they do free in-store cleanings for bracelets. So I am about to go there. Let me call my boyfriend first, child. call my boyfriend. Does he not answer their phone? Let me call him again. He probably sleep, child. We are about to go to Pandora to get my jewelry cleaned. I'm gonna pick back up the camera when I get there. Hi guys, so I just made it to the mall. I'm gonna put my headphones in, babe. Y'all, I'm gonna go into Pandora and get these bracelets cleaned. So y'all, I am back in the car now. They cleaned my jewelry. It looks way better now. And I just hurried up and got out that mall as quick as possible because it's still pretty early. It's noon, but it's the weekend, so I know the mall gets a little packed and a little wild on weekends. So I am trying to get out of here and go home as quickly as possible because nobody got time for all these people. Hi y'all, I am back at home now, and now I am just going to clean up a little bit because it's a little messy. Declutter some of this stuff.
Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. You know I wanna be around. You tugging more and more, I just can't get it with so I could see I'm letting down my guard. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. Cause if you ever wanna drown, I need to hear it from you. But can we know you can tell me how can fuck me up, don't let me down. Such a risk, but I'm willing to take a chance. What you think with my heart in your hand? Gotta learn how to let someone hold. You take time, gotta trust who I let control. Got me questioning what you've done to me. Used to be out of reach. Feel like you're testing me, you're the necessity. Full court press on me. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. You know I wanna be around. You tugging more and more.
over, cause the kid the coldest. I ain't changed, I stay the same and maintain it. Safe to say the kid getting older. Forever gang, I'm never switching over. Made a lane and niggas can't get over. I can't mess with rappers, they be bogus. Rather get the pack and keep it open. Big dripper, stand up in the ocean. Everybody trapping, we get lost. He ain't focused yet, but he ain't got motion. Made a half a ticket, not promotion. Shout out sushi, sweet and keep me rolling. But if we get the op, we gotta slow. Ride around with Drake, like we OVO. I got some rats and I want some. Still got them pass in the hood, call it give and go.
So y'all, we are like 30 minutes away from home. And I just noticed that I do not have a singular cellular device with me. I left my phone. And he's to blame, right? So guys, now we are at I don't know exact location we're at, but I know we're on the beach somewhere. It's a really nice area. Y'all, I can't believe I freaking left my phone. Like, what was I ever thinking? Like, what was I doing? But yeah, guys, y'all see the white Lululemon set? Get into it. I have no phone, so this is my camera is my replacement for my phone for today. Oh my god, y'all, it's beautiful out here. Let me show y'all. So beautiful. Y'all, this is so beautiful. Look at the beach. So cute. Now we're trying to eat real good. This is a gourmet meal.
A little hand food.
A gourmet meal. Look.
Like, yes, it was not. It was good. It was not good.
Y'all, I'm still kind of upset about not having my phone. Like, I could have been taking cute mirror pictures right now. But we gonna pretend like y'all. We're gonna pretend like y'all my phone. A little cute picture. Cute mirror. Mwah. No bars. Crazy. Look at all these birds, y'all. Say hi.
We don't fly away.
That's crazy.
I got it. It's just
West out in Florida.
Look. Say hi to the vlog. Remove from birds.
I think it's cool. I love animals. You know, I love animals.
And the wild she fly right now. What you gonna do?
Run, stop, drop everything and run.
Stop jumping, what? Alright, y'all, I'm ready to go. A bird just pooped on me. I know whoever. They talk about that's good luck, but it's sick because it's too loud. The bird just pooped on me, y'all. Right above me. I didn't even know it was a bird on top of me. He just pooped on me. It went on my hand. Yeah. It went on my hand and on my toe. So humiliating. Like, I thought I liked birds. I was like, oh, no. Okay. It's time to go. It's time to go. Now we're on the beach, y'all. Let's go to the beach. Let's go. The car by the patrol. Let's dig it. All right, y'all. Darker, the sun is went down. Okay, guys, we are about to leave now. So look, we gotta take another road trip. But we had fun today. A lot of sightseeing, a lot of new things.
Period.
Okay, I'm gonna see you guys when I get home because that was a lot. Hi y'all, it is currently the next day and I have something that I've been waiting for. My package. I've been waiting on this package all day yesterday, but I left and it came when I was gone. So yeah, I am super duper excited. Like, okay, let's turn so y'all see my address. So y'all, she is here. Y'all, this is a Stanley cup. The Stanley Quencher 2.0. The cup that's been having the girls in a frenzy, literally, y'all. Not specifically of this colorway, but like I've been seeing videos on social media of people camping outside for these cups, fighting like it's Black Friday for these cups. Y'all, like, I promise y'all it's not that deep. I was surprised I was able to find this on my Target app. But y'all, if y'all don't know, green is my favorite color. This is like the greenish bluish colorway. But y'all, let's get into it. Like, she is beautiful. Like, I'm excited to use her toy. Yeah, get into it. Period.
Know just what you're doing now. Baby, now we can coast. Let's go, let's go. Let's don't get in a hurry. No, that's too slow. Hey, go ahead and put that thing in the I want you to ride.
Hey y'all, so it is currently 9:17. It is January 7th, so that means we've been in 2024 for a whole week now. Here's Happy New Year's. 2024 will be filled with blessings, abundance of blessings. And I start school tomorrow. If you're a college student, then you know the struggle, okay? But one thing I've been wanting to do is make a vision board. I've been seeing everybody make like vision boards and stuff like that. So I've been wanting to do one to just stay motivated this year and stay on my Zoom. I'm gonna make it on my iPad. I don't know, do y'all believe in like the whole thing about like not sharing your vision board on social media because, you know, of how people are and stuff like that? or like people like preying on your downfall and stuff like that, or like just the simple fact of like not sharing your personal goals. I don't know. I'm gonna go to Pinterest. This is not Pinterest, y'all. I love Pinterest, okay? So I'm just gonna save a couple of photos on Pinterest really quick.
So I'm not with nobody, cause I don't wanna hurt nobody. Did it over text, didn't call me. Still got love for your mommy. I know you wanna be somebody.
Okay guys, so I pretty much got all of the images I wanted from Pinterest. Now I am going to go to Canva and make my cute little vision board.
Even if you gotta leave somebody. Yes, I'm hurt, yes, I'm dirty. Most of the things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase.
So guys, I just finished my mood board and it's giving, like, it's giving, okay? I think I'm gonna make this my wallpaper, so I just see it every time and I'm just motivated every time I see it. Period. 2024, we're making sure we're putting the work ethic behind these goals we want to achieve, and we're gonna do it. Period. I believe in y'all and y'all believe in me, because we sisters. Okay, period. But thank you guys for watching. Love you guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Mwah. No bars.